Drum Vac introduces the Vac N Sack method of vacuuming straight into a sack inside a capture drum. The power source is the compressed air powered drum vac produced by Vacteck Vacuums of Australia. This pneumatic vacuum can be powered by 80 CFM, 100 CFM, 150, right up to 200 CFM. Incorporating the latest technology, this system is very quiet with a sound signature of below 69 decibels. The Vac N Sack method incorporates two drums, the power drum and the capture drum, with the vacuum going through the capture drum and the hose, allowing the waste roof insulation to be sucked straight into the sack. This method is very efficient and captures the majority of the waste in the sack. The still photo shows the two drum system, with the suction from the power drum going into the base of the capture drum. The sack is suspended inside the capture drum and the suction hose comes in through the top of the capture drum. For the purposes of this demonstration, we used a 30 CFM compressor and 7 meters of hose. With a decent compressor, approximately 100 CFM, you should be able to extend the hose between 25 and 30 meters. As roof insulation is a lightweight waste, it provides no problem for the drum vac. Filtration with this kind of vacuuming is always the issue. This is why we use the Hessian sack to recover 95+% of the waste, and dust particles will travel through to the drum vac in the power drum. This is no problem, as the drum vac has reverse filter cleaning, which blasts the filters clean from the inside out within the drum, allowing nothing to escape to atmosphere. For the purposes of the demonstration, the roof insulation we placed on the ground is a lot thicker and more bulky than what would be experienced inside the cavity of a roof. But as you can see, the drum vac has no problem recovering this kind of insulation waste. The suction hose used in this demonstration is 63mm. This could be enlarged to 75mm if required. With this kind of waste, you need a combination of vacuum power and high airflow. The drum vac provides both of these. Once the vacuuming is complete, it is then just a matter of turning the power off, releasing the lock band on the drum and lifting the lid and the suspended sack out of the drum with all the roof insulation. It would make sense to have several lids with several sacks already suspended and locked in place, ready to transfer onto the drum once a full sack is pulled out. Roof insulation of a cellulose nature is not hard to vacuum up and is not heavy. It's a lightweight waste. Here you can see a lock band around the suction intake pipe underneath the lid of the drum. This locks the Hessian bag in place and making sure that nothing escapes into the suction port at the bottom of the capture drum and then transferring to the power drum. As you can see, the drum is quite clean. Small dust particles are inside the drum. The base plate there prevents the suction bag from being sucked into the suction intake at the bottom of the drum. Once the lid is pulled off the capture drum, it's a simple process to release the bag and then tie it off with insulation, either replace with another bag or replace with another lead that you already have the bag in place.
See if it'll pull away. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful. Okay, now hold up the sack. Lift the sack up. Yep.
As you can see, the insulation is quite light, and our Vacteck comedian here will take the waste off to be disposed. This demonstration will show the power of the reverse blast, blasting the filters clean from the inside out. This would be done with the drum vac on the drum, so nothing would be escaping to atmosphere. It's quite powerful, and as you can see, the filters have very little contamination that's come through from the Hessian sack. Very small, minor dust particles, which is no problem once the reverse blast is activated. The drum vac Vac N Sack method is a quick, efficient system to recover roof insulation out of ceilings for clients. Thank you.